Let's make some margaritas. Should we bring in some people to make some margaritas?
Yeah, let's bring someone in. Who's first out of the bullpen?
We have a blonde and a brunette, both very intelligent, high IQ athletes here.
It's actually just any position you want as long as you're wearing a sombrero.
And you wrap it in bacon.
Have you ever had a Seattle dog?
I haven't. Tell me more.
It has cream cheese on it.
Oh!
Interesting. I'm drinking the Coors Banquet. If you've ever been to a wedding at a VFW, this is what they have, and it really signifies low credit scores.
Oh boy!
It's
oh my God!
almost
Look
like-
at what's about to happen.
Yeah, let's do a little.
Look at what's about to happen.
Little extra.
Oh
little
my God.
Oh!
Oh my God! That is in heaven!
But overall, I think grilling and being outside with your people is the most
Sebastian.
4th of July thing you can do.
Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today, as you see, we're outside. The sun is shining, and we got the 4th of July Grill Fest. All right, Ben, so let's kick off this Grill Fest, and we're doing a nice array of items here. We got some hot dogs, we got some BBQ chicken, we're gonna do some fresh corn, which I picked this morning. I got some long hots, as they call them on the East Coast. If you're from California, it's Anaheim peppers, whatever. We got some of those with garlic. Then we just got a yellow onion and do a little sauteing of that in some butter and a little olive oil as well. So let's get that going. Ben, how much do you love the summertime?
It's my favorite season.
Isn't it the best?
There's nothing better than summer.
By the way, everybody's always commenting, why are you always looking at the sky? And it's because my leader is perched high above, yelling down and shouting down directions. Good old Benny boy. And then I am going to throw this on the grill. Gotta salt and pepper everything. By the way, you gotta barbecue with smokes. It's the only way to do it, man. Let's make some margaritas. Should we bring in some people to make some margaritas?
Yeah, let's bring someone in.
Who should we bring in?
Who's first out of the bullpen?
Well, we got two right-handers. We have a blonde and a brunette. Both very intelligent, high IQ athletes here. But I think what we'll do is we'll bring in the blonde.
Sure.
So Linda, you want to bring in that corn? There she. Look at this.
The corn.
Full regala. Look at those glasses. The Beach Boys. Is there anything more American?
I mean, I'm on theme.
Can I tell you something right now? Have a seat. We're gonna make you a drink.
Okay. I did also want to mention, obviously this is the 4th of July episode.
Right.
Yay. But today is actually Memorial Day weekend.
Correct.
And it's also your B-Day.
Yes.
It's a very special day. And it's not just itty B-Day, it's your halfway through 40 B-Day.
We never say that out loud.
Well, you're a dude, so we can say how old you are.
I'm 34.
Because you guys just get better looking with age.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that very much. Yes, it is my birthday. And to be honest with you, I just love that I have you guys here with me. Having a lot of fun.
We always have fun.
And we always have fun.
Especially on the side of the house.
Especially on the side of the house. It's always a party back here. It's party zone. We got a new character added here. She is now a proud resident of Los Angeles. The very wonderful, the very classy. Sometimes she gets a little trashy. Out of the Pacific Northwest. Give a round of applause for Closter. Wow! What?
It's like a Vegas bottle girl.
Look at this! I got ice. Hey! Birthday time.
I wonder what it could be.
Oh my God. Chloe and Ben have been building my Japanese professional knife set. Actually, it may have been better if they won. I'm just saying, I know there's a lot of veterans out there who have been very brave and we thank them very much, but you know, the Japanese have it dialed in. I'm just saying, that's neither here nor there. This is absolutely, I love European.
Mwah.
I didn't do it.
Doesn't matter, you're hot.
We're gonna get the mic in on this.
There we go, Ben. Never mind, you're too high. I'm gonna kiss the wrong thing and then we're gonna have a weird episode here. Let's make you guys a drink. So we got our Margaritaville machine out here, rip-roaring. You don't wanna use your really good tequila for this because you're mixing it in something. I'm drinking the Coors Banquet, by the way. I've had a margarita and a Coors Banquet, and I really love this because If you've ever been to a wedding at a VFW, this is what they have, and it really signifies low credit scores, 3 or 4 baby mamas, and you may have gone to jail for a stint or 2. And at this wedding, you're just wearing a tie that's very loose. It's not pulled up into the crease because you have no idea how to wear a suit.
But knows how to have a good time.
But knows how to party.
Yeah.
And somebody might pull somebody else's hair and punch them in the face at this particular wedding. Anyway, cheers to the
But
Rocky.
again, thank you, veterans.
Yeah.
Nothing says America like the Rocky Mountain High.
Well, yeah, nothing like a Coors beer.
I think we're ready. So I'd like to do just a really very nice cheers. I just want to thank everybody for joining us. I love you guys. Health, happiness always, lots of laughs. Cheers.
Cheers to us.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good cooking.
Love you guys.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Still fire. Still fire.
Incredible.
Yep,
Yep.
it's a good one.
Okay, so we're cooking these bad boys down, and these are gonna be phenomenal on our chicken. You can throw them on your hot dog. I actually like to throw a little mustard on the hot dog with a toasted bun, some of the onions, and a little bit of the peppers. Ooh, the peppers, forget about it, minga the peppers. We got our corn. Let's get that going. This is on our Amazon shop, Ben. Our little spray, our olive oil spray bottle. We're just doing a very traditional all American corn. We're gonna get some salt, some pepper, some butter. So,
Corn is like the bread of vegetables.
yeah.
It's true.
Okay.
It is a carb.
Ben just goes. let me ponder that one.
It's a wild thing to say, but I have no notes.
Anyway, let's get this corn on.
Will you cut mine off the cob?
Apparently, this show has
Requests
turned into
from
an
the
a la
crowd.
carte restaurant.
Go ahead and cut. Actually, me too. I can't bite into that. I have veneers.
I'll get you. We'll do it. We will do that.
With your new paring knife?
No problem. Actually, we could
I-
probably do it with the paring knife. I agree.
I love corn on the cob is one of my favorite things, but ever
As long
since
as it's off the cob.
yes, ever since I was a kid, the issues that begin to occur as you bite into corn, it's a lot to contend with.
Yeah.
And it's so nice when it does get sheared off the cob for you.
I wholeheartedly agree.
Yeah.
And that's the only way I eat corn on the cob.
If you guys had to pick, what is your favorite 4th of July dish? What do we?
Hot dogs.
I was just about to
Hot
say
dogs.
a hot dog.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm glad we got those because we were gonna get some burgers too, but we said, we don't
No,
need that.
definitely a hot dog.
You prefer burgers? Well, I know.
It's just a heartier item.
But you only have a good hot dog on the 4th of July.
That's true.
That's very true.
And when are you really grilling up a dog?
America, sweet.
Me? Never.
Well, me neither. But on 4th of July,
Very true.
Yeah, hamburgers are anytime, right?
yeah.
Hot dog is reserved for like a ball game and 4th of July.
What are all your favorite hot dog toppings, G?
I am a very traditional individual when it comes to hot dog. I like a very spicy deli mustard. I will do a relish here and there, like an onion.
You like a Chicago dog?
Hell yeah, why not? Let's get. Listen, I'm not for I want a very basic hot dog, but I'm into anything that's delicious like that.
Have you ever had a Seattle dog?
I haven't. Tell me more.
Has cream cheese on it.
Oh!
Interesting.
There's cream cheese, there's peppers, there's onions, there's ketchup, there's a little mustard, but the cream cheese really.
I'm not gonna say
Really?
I don't
It's-
like
Is
that.
it because it
sounds
melts
weird.
and it gets a little
No.
creamy?
No,
It's
it
incredible.
doesn't. I mean,
Sounds phenomenal.
really.
Oh,
like,
and jalapenos.
Yeah.
So there's a
so
little
the spice,
spice
the
and a little
savory, the
sweet.
creaminess.
A little cream, yeah.
Uh-huh.
That sounds great.
If I go to a Mariners game, I'm getting that, right?
Absolutely.
Got
They're
it.
also just on the streets of Seattle.
Wow. Okay.
I wonder how that started. Like what was the
knows?
thing in Seattle?
Whites.
White.
Whites.
Well, it's kind of like in LA. If you go out to a bar, especially downtown, you'll get the Tijuana hot dog that they wrap in the bacon.
That's right.
That
So,
sounds delicious.
I guess a lot of cities have their own version of a street dog.
Dog.
Do you want a hot dog sounds like a sex position?
It does.
Ben.
How do you know it's not?
Ben, tell
That's
us.
what-
Tell
that's
us
what Gary-
what's going on.
exactly.
Gary and Lindsay are
Why
gonna do it for his
Why
birthday.
don't you let us know?
Wow. Hey, honey, you wanna? This is my birthday. You wanna do the Tijuana hot dog you did the other night? Oh.
Oh, my back's killing me. I did the Tijuana hot dog last night.
Depending on what neighborhood you say it in, it's very different.
It's actually just any position you want as long as you're wearing a sombrero.
Then you wrap it in bacon. Can we get some taste tests and
Oh,
yeah.
commentary on the corn, please?
Coors Banquet, half full. I don't know what's going on. I got a lot going on back here. I don't know what's happening.
Yep.
Yeah?
So good.
You guys were like synchronized swimmers. These are very fragile buns, so there's nothing we can do. These are just Trader Joe's. I don't know.
But they're brioche.
They are brioche. Got a little brioche bun.
Nice.
Holy sh!
Wow.
That's a
And
fucking
Costco hot dog.
get it.
Oh my God, thank you.
All right, so we got our chicken, our barbecue chicken. It's been sitting in the barbecue sauce for a few hours now, and we're just gonna grill it up. And I'm using cutlets here, so they'll cook up pretty fast, about 3 minutes on each side because they're thin.
Okay, what is better, 4th of July day or 4th of July night?
Oof.
That's a tough one.
I say 4th of July day, the tanning. The swimsuit, the tanning, the lake, the boat, the beach, wherever you are. Swimsuit.
But I mean, I feel like the whole day is equally good. Meaning, that's the whole point of it, right? The day into the night. So I don't know if I can pick, because there's something very awesome about the night.
The night.
Oh, the fireworks, yeah.
I'm gonna say the day because of the anticipation of the night.
Oh, interesting.
So to me, like when you're starting out early like this and you're having drinks and you're having fun, you're looking forward to fireworks that night, hanging out, maybe another round of food, more drinks, hanging out, having fun.
Totally.
It's like it's a day that, in my opinion, never ends. I like that.
And then there's July 5th, and that sucks.
A depressing day.
July 5th is like December 26th.
Oh, absolutely. The day after Christmas. Honestly, you know, I'm going to say something controversial. Christmas Day is the most depressing day of the year.
I'll actually take December 26th over December 25th any day. Because December 24th is where it's at.
I say December 23rd is better than December 24th.
I say December 22nd. Because you're like, not a problem.
Ben
It's
says
not
the 21st.
Yeah.
Don't sleep on December 13th.
Yeah.
But I tell you, Christmas Day, when everything's done and you're
Don't
sitting
sleep
there.
on October 17th, okay?
The
hell.
only thing I will say about December 26th is it's the beginning of the next week until New Year's where nothing is happening and no one knows what day it is. Everything between Christmas and New Year's is pretty good, but I mean Christmas Eve
You're gonna
is
flip it,
just
Ben.
elite.
Little flips.
But Ben is right. You know, October 17th just f***ing slaps.
Nothing hits like October 17th.
Try it. Feed the crew. Wow. Straight off the grilly grill.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh boy.
It's
oh my God,
almost
look
like-
at what's about to happen.
Yeah, let's do a little.
Look at what's about to happen.
Little extra.
Oh
Little
my
oh!
God. Oh my God, Ben is in heaven!
America.
Any final thoughts on this grill fest? What's our favorite item?
Hot dogs.
Hot dog.
Hot dogs are great.
I love when they have that like,
Yeah, like a
Got-
bite to them.
A snap.
oh,
Gotta
yeah.
snap.
Yeah,
A
you
It
have
had
to
a-
like.
it was a snappy dog.
Uh-huh.
little pepper, a little onion.
There's nothing more American than a hot
No.
dog. You really
May have to
can't
make
beat
another
it.
one.
Hot dogs are elite, and that will never change.
Yep.
But overall, I think grilling and being outside with your people is the most
best.
4th of July thing you can do. Thank you for your service.
Yes, thank
And
you
that's a
for
wrap.
your service.
We salute
Anytime.
you.
Let me change the sign. Closed.
Give him a salute. We salute you.
You know, the great thing about the summer holidays, Memorial Day, the 4th of July, is that there's no rules. You make whatever you want. You're hanging out, you're watching a ball game, the sun is shining, maybe you got a couple of sparklers later at night, the flag is flying high. You want chicken, you do chicken. You want hot dogs, burgers, whatever you want, there's no rules. And that's what we love about it. As long as you're having a great time with your friends and family and people you love, who gives a shit? Thank you for joining us on 4th of July, and from my house to yours, bon appetit. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more episodes of what we've done on the grill, click here, because Ben put a link. We got like 40 episodes. Leave me alone. If you want to just keep hanging out with us, we got about 150 episodes, and he put the link over here. Come on.